In this video, I'm going to show you how to use public domain images to sell shirts on print-on-demand marketplaces or your own website. Public domain images are pictures, illustrations, and graphics that are not protected by copyright laws and can be used freely by anyone. This means that you can use these images to create your own designs without having to worry about copyright infringement. There are many websites that offer a wide variety of public domain images that you can use for free, and you can filter by different categories to find the perfect image for your design. I am going to share 2 great websites for finding graphics in the public domain. The Public Domain Review is a website that collects and curates images, illustrations, and artwork that have entered the public domain. It features a wide variety of images, illustrations, and artworks from various historical periods and styles which can be used for commercial and non-commercial purposes. Additionally, they provide context and background information on their images and creators. In the Collections page, you can find the unique artwork, and you can browse by categories. Let's click on the Animals and Beasts category. Here are some mammals. Kittens and cats. In the Design and Typography category, you can find some cool typography from the 1800s and 1900s. Comic Book Plus is another great resource for finding unique and interesting graphics to use on your shirts. The website features a wide variety of public domain comic books from the Golden Age and recent works as well. These can be used without the need for attribution or permission. Once you find a comic or a character you like, you can download it. You can find a graphic design software such as Adobe Illustrator or Canva to create your design. You can cut out specific objects, add text, or combine multiple images to create a unique design. It's also good to play around with different color schemes and effects to give your design a unique and eye-catching look. Or live trace the graphics. Once your design is complete, you can then upload it to Amazon Merch or any print-on-demand marketplace. It is still important to make sure that your designs do not infringe on any trademarks or copyrights. Make sure to check these on the 𝗬𝗏𝗄𝗏 website. Now you can use public domain images to create unique designs on your print-on-demand shirts. Let me know in the comments if you know of any other websites or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.